Best wood routers are versatile woodworking tools designed for creating precise edges, grooves, joints, and decorative details in wood projects. With powerful motors, adjustable speeds, and flexible base options, they help professionals and DIY woodworkers achieve clean, accurate, and professional finishes. Starting at number 1. BOSCH Router 1617 EVSPK. The BOSCH 1617 EVSPK 2.25 HP combination, plunge and fixed base router is a powerful and versatile woodworking tool designed for professional and DIY routing applications. It features a robust 12-amp motor with adjustable speed control from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing users to match the cutting speed to different materials and tasks. The router includes both a plunge base and a fixed base, providing flexibility for edge forming, template work, joinery, and router table applications. BOSCH's constant response. Circuitry helps maintain consistent speed under load for smoother, cleaner, and more accurate cuts, while the microfine bit depth adjustment system allows precise control. The ergonomic rounded hardwood handles improve comfort and handling, and the dust-sealed power switch enhances durability. The kit includes 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks, chip shields, adjustment tools, and a rugged carrying case for convenient storage and transport, making the BOSCH 1617 EVSPK an excellent choice for woodworking professionals and enthusiasts. Number 2. Makita RT0701C. The Makita RT0701C 1-1-4 HP compact router is a powerful and lightweight woodworking tool designed for precision routing, trimming, and edge-forming applications. It features a 1/1/4 maximum horsepower motor with variable speed control from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing users to adjust to the cutting speed according to different materials and projects. The fixed base design provides excellent stability and control, while the smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system enables accurate cutting depth settings. Built with a durable aluminum motor housing, ergonomic slim body, and quick-release cam lock system, the router offers enhanced comfort, durability, and easy adjustments. It also includes electronic speed control to maintain consistent performance under load, a soft start feature for smoother operation, and a shaft lock for quick bit changes. With its compact 3.9 Hlrmsat design, 1/4 inch collet capacity, straight guide, and included wrenches, the Makita RT0701C is an ideal choice for professional woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision and portability. Number 3. SEESII Cordless Wood Router. The SEESII Cordless Wood Router is a compact and versatile woodworking tool designed for trimming, carving, edging, and other precision woodworking tasks. Powered by a 21V brushless motor and supplied with two 4.0A rechargeable batteries, it provides cordless convenience and reliable performance without the limitations of a power cord. The router features a durable aluminum base for improved stability and accuracy, a 6-speed adjustment system for controlling cutting performance across different wood materials, and an LED display for easy monitoring of settings. It also includes a dust extraction system to help maintain a cleaner workspace and improve visibility during operation. The kit comes with 8 pieces of 1/4 inch rotor bits, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking applications such as trimming, grooving, shaping, and decorative projects. With its lightweight palm-style design, brushless motor efficiency, and complete accessory package, the SEESII Cordless Wood Router is a practical choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. Number 4. Hlrmsat Cordless Wood Router. The Hlrmsat Wood Router is a versatile and efficient tool designed for various woodworking applications. It features a robust construction made from metal, nylon, and plastic, and operates on a battery-powered system with a voltage of 21 volts of direct current. The advanced brushless motor is notably 40% more efficient than traditional brushed motors, ensuring consistent speed and minimal heat generation, even under load. This compact router comes equipped with a dual battery system, including 2 high-capacity 4.0 AH batteries that allow for extended operation without the hassle of power cords. Additionally, it includes a battery-level display for convenient monitoring. The professional-grade tool is supplied with 15 tungsten steel alloy router bits suitable for various woodworking tasks, ensuring precision and smooth finishes. For enhanced visibility during use, the router features embedded LED lighting that illuminates the cutting area, improving accuracy and safety. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle for tasks ranging from cabinet making to decorative carving. The package includes the wood router tool, 2 batteries, a charger, router bits, a wrench, guides, and an instruction manual with customer support readily available for any product issues. Number 5. JEXUGK Brushless Wood Router. The JEXUGK Cordless Router is a high-performance tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, featuring an upgraded brushless motor that is 40% more efficient than traditional brushed motors, achieving a maximum speed of 35,000 RPM. This makes it suitable for fine wood carving, as well as working with harder materials while minimizing friction loss and reducing operating noise by 30%. Its portable, compact design allows for easy storage and operation without the hassle of tangled wires, making it ideal for use in small spaces and outdoor settings. Equipped with 2 4.0 Ah high-capacity batteries, the router offers extended battery life and fast charging capabilities, ensuring uninterrupted work. The comprehensive 15-piece router bit set included caters to various woodworking needs, from simple cuts to complex carvings, paired with the high-precision guide plates for accuracy. The upgraded aluminum base enhances durability and stability during high-speed operations, resisting impacts and vibrations. It's better than traditional plastic bases. Overall, the JEXUGK router is versatile and cost-effective, suitable for a wide range of woodworking applications from home decoration to professional tasks.